Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check your restricted accounts list on Facebook. If you've ever restricted an account or page on Facebook and want to see who is on your list, then this video is for you. To begin, make sure you have the Messenger app installed on your phone. If you don't have it already, head over to the Play Store and type in Facebook Messenger in the search bar. Look for the chat bubble with a sideways lightning bolt and its gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it, and then tap on Install. Once it's done, tap on Open to start the app. Once you're in the app, sign in like you usually would. Then, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the gear icon next to your username. Scroll down to the Preferences option, and tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down to the Who Can Reach You section, and then tap on Restricted Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts and pages you've restricted. You can add accounts to this list by tapping on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. It's important to note that when you restrict an account or page on Facebook, that account or page won't be able to see your posts or stories, and they won't be able to tag you or invite you to events. However, they will still be able to see your public posts and any comments you make on mutual friends' posts. By checking your restricted accounts list on Facebook, you can manage the accounts and pages that you don't want to interact with. This is a great way to maintain your privacy and ensure that you're only interacting with people and pages that you trust. That's all there is to it. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.